Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to create a new Python project that is body mass index or BMI. We will be just starting the project. Just before starting this project, we should have basic knowledge of what BMI is. So BMI is the body mass index of the body, and it depends on the two factors, that is height and weight, and also it varies from man and woman, and also age is a factor. However, there are some basic knowledge you can have, and if you don't have, you can read it and understand. However, this is not our concept here to learn biology. Our main concept is to apply the logic to create a BMI project. So just before starting creating this project, I do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So you see that if I have opened this website, and you see there are some basic knowledge the of BMI included here. So I will be just taking these into consideration, and I will apply my concept in my Python project. So let's start creating this project and create a file, and I will go to my folder, and uh, I will create a file named as bmicalc.py. So let's start creating this. So I will name it as bmi calc.py and enter. Now my file has been created, and now I will write the logic. So first of all, bmi calculator. And so now next step would be we should be aware of these factors, and when we will be applying these. So how we will be calculating BMI? So there is some sort of formula to calculate the BMI, and that will I will tell you how to calculate it. That formula is okay. So the formula to calculate the BMI is height. First of all, we will be taking height is equals to float. Since this will be our decimal value, so we will be taking a float input and enter your height. And now we will also take a weight here, enter your weight. Okay, now BMI is equals, and we will also take one thing into consideration, that height is equals to height divided by 100. So just to know that these are two things we will be taking into consideration, that is height and weight, and BMI is calculated. BMI is equals to and BMI is equals to weight divided by height into height. So just to make sure that these should be in kg and this should be in centimeter, and you should know the measurement, that if you take a measurement in centimeter and calculation in kg of weight, then only you can apply this. Otherwise there is some another formula, but we are only taking one thing into consideration, that it should be in centimeter, not in feet or another or any other unit, and this is only in kg, not in pounds or any other unit. So these are the two things we should be considering here, and this is the formula to calculate the BMI. Now next step would be if condition. So first of all, uh, what we'll be taking, we will be taking first condition, that is b if BMI is less than what. So just copy, I will just copy these values so that I do not have to go through it again and again. I will go here and just paste it above and just comment it so that we can this code is not included in here. So we will say underweight, and if it is BMI is less than equal to 18.5, we'll say that is underweight. Print you are underweight. Underweight. WEIGHT. Underweight. Now one more thing I will be included here, that just before this I will also print the BMI. Print f string your your BMI or body mass index, just a full form. Body mass index, or in bracket we will say BMI, is in this f string I will just put BMI, so that I will be getting it a dynamic value of this value. This all value will be included in here. So as f string we have used. So let's save this, and if this is below than for just below or equal to 18.5, it will print you are underweight. And if BMI is equal to BMI is greater less than equal to 25, I will just take 25 value, not 24, because I I'm just taking 24 as a random value, because I do not want to take this into consideration. Even a 9.9 value, I will say print you are, or I can take it, uh, never mind it, you can also take it, you are normal weight, or you can say you are healthy. You are normal weight, you can say you are healthy. And if BMI is greater than equal to 29.9, you are you are you are overweight. And WEIGHT, and last I will say else print you are obese. Okay, so means that you are obese, and this is all the code we are applying here. So let's calculate our BMI, and I will put my any height random value as a 167 centimeter, and kg as 65. So it's printing that your body mass index is 65.5 and you are healthy. Just to verify it, we can use a calculator here that we are getting a correct value or not. I will just put a value in here, and metric, and I will put this in centimeter, that 137 167, and my weight I put as 65. So just to verify that I have got correct answer, that it's 23.3. So means that my value is not correct. So this means that I have made some mistake here. So I will go to my code and see what mistakes do I have made. So first of all, I can see that the formula is correct. However, uh, if you do not apply a board mass here rule here, it won't work properly. So just to apply a board mass rule here. So now it should work properly. And this was the first mistake I have observed. But there was another mistake I have observed too. That is that I have applied a greater than equal to sign for BMI, that BMI is greater than equal to 29.5 or 24.9, and this applied for here as well. So that's why, because we when you're printing previously it was showing that you are healthy. However, it was 65, but 65 BMI index is uh, obese. So now let's run the code, and it should run fine now. And let's see that if we are getting it or not. If we put what 65, and we already know that it's 23.3. Now you see that we are getting a value which is very long. So just to round off, we will take a round method here, and we will just put a bracket here and put round. And now we will take, it takes two parameter, that is, one is the value and second one is the to what decimal places you want to round off. So I will want rounding off to two decimal places. And now I will, if I run the code now and ask will put 167, and uh, I will put 65 again, just to know that, like, see, now you see that we are getting 23.31, and this is why my body mass index. So this was all in the code, but I will do one more thing, that I will ask the user to continuously check for the value. But right now, if you see here, that if we are it is running only one time, so I will apply a loop here, that is my while loop, while true, so that we can continuously apply the we can continuously calculate it. Okay, so let's calculate it continuously, but we also need to put a break here, which I will be telling you how to print a break, how I will be printing a break here. So I will just choose alt, and so that I can get multiple cursor here as well, here as well, here as well, and here as well. So just hold the alt key and put the cursor wherever you want. It will give you multiple cursors. So now uh, there is no break here, means if I run the code now, it will not break. If I show you, you see that I put 160 156 and something like this. It will continuously print, and it will not break. So we need to put a break here. How we will be putting a break? Because we do not want it one iteration, so I will put a condition here. If user wants to uh, to continue, this is my variable again here, and if it is equals to, I will take another input here, and I will ask the user, uh, do you want to continue, and put a question mark here, and bracket I will put yes, no, and bracket close, and a line break here. And if he says no, then we will put a break. If I will just remove if here from here, and just apply camel case. Use user, actually it's user wants to continue is equals to no, then put a line break, then um, break, and also print over. Now it's more appropriate, or more a better version of the code we have created previously. And now if I put 167 and I put 55, it says that you are underweight, you are healthy still, because you are healthy with the range of this, so you are healthy. And if I run code again, means if it will ask, you do not have to run it again, you just have to put yes here, and it will run again. It will ask you 156, and if I put 80, it will print you are obese, and this. So now if I put no here, it will break, see, over. So this is the code we have created here, and I will give you uh, the source code of this in my description of my YouTube, on my YouTube channel. And thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any doubt, ask in the comment section. If you have liked the project, comment in the comment section that you have liked the project. Thank you guys for watching it, and see you next time.